Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I will show you that how can we block someone or how can we unblock someone on our Snapchat application. So this video is quite easier. You just have to follow the full video and please be on the video till the end. What we have to do if we have I want to block someone on my Snapchat who is irritating me or it's not in use anymore. So how can I block that contact and where can I find the block setting and then unblock that contact from here. So for this, just open your Snapchat like this here and I will log in into my account. Let me just log in and I will go on my chat screen on my Snapchat here like this. Click on the chat. This is my chat screen. You can see what we have to do. I will click on the left top of the screen. You can see there is my profile avatar and my profile icon there. Click on that option. After that, you will see a setting option on the right top of screen. Click on that option. And in setting, you just have to scroll to the down and here you will see the blocked contact option on the last fourth. You can see this is in account actions section here. You will see the blocked option here. Just click on the blocked here. You can see these all are the arrays which I have blocked on my Snapchat here. You can see, you can read them, you can unblock them from here. Like this is my ID. I will click on this cross option on the right of this username like this and it will be unblocked from my Snap. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you. Thank you so much for watching it.